Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi. Let's do some analysis in Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks for tomorrow. So we have seen US market and global market are positive because most of the technology stock are positive. So global market, let me show you global market. Here you can see this on global market like those on S&P 500, Nasdaq, all are positive because all markets are pulling up only because of technology stocks. So this is the indices future, and if you can see indices, major indices all are positive. So tomorrow we are expecting that price may gap up and it will continue toward the upside. So let's do some analysis in Nifty, Bank Nifty, some stocks. So first here this is Nifty and daily time frame. In a daily time frame, Nifty are positive after giving a pullback. So here you can see according to price action method, price are creating new higher high, pullback, and for few days price was sideways and finally broke this resistance line. Let me draw a horizontal line by connecting this swing point. Let me connect most toughest point. Okay, now see in a small time frame like a 15-minute time frame, that was a resistance line. So finally yesterday, last Friday, price opened a gap up. After that whole day, price pulled back near supporting line because that was a strong resistance, and the price opened a gap up and again pull back. So it's a market behavior. When price break this supporting line or resistance line, again pull back. All right, so after that it's railing again, and in a downside after breaking this supporting line, again pull back. So after that it should continue toward the upside or downside. So here you can see according to price action method, price create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high and a higher low. So this higher low is a strong support. So why? There are 50 exponential moving average act as a support. Now it's a probability to bounce from this area. All right, so if you see like H1 chart, that was a sideways zone somewhere here, price multiple rejection from this area again and again. So have you seen price are rejecting, so finally broke this area and again pull back. Now it's a strong support, so it's a probability to bounce from this area. Okay, so or another triangle pattern also forming like that. All right, like that. Okay, this is also triangle. So this area called confluence area. So basically we are looking for buy in this area. Okay, and let me show you in Bank Nifty open a gap up and continue. Here you can see very strong bullish pattern are forming somewhere like that, and this is called bullish triangle pattern. So when they are forming this type of pattern, it's a probability to continue toward the upside. Now means in this area buyer are dominating the seller. So here you can see first seller pull back, again buyer pull up. So next attempt and they fail to break lower point, but buyer break this higher point. Again seller trying to pull back, but buyer again push up the market. So means net here you can see buyer are winning. So when they are forming this type of pattern, it is probability to continue toward the upside. So that is why we are focusing on a buy side. If you can see H1 chart clear uptrend, but I'm just waiting for a pullback. Sometimes what happens, price are surfing 5 or 10 moving average. Now this type of condition are forming. All right, so who people are waiting for a pullback, price fail to pull back and continue toward the upside. So that is why we are using like bouncing trading strategy, breakout trading strategy, another called surfing trading strategy. Basically they surfing some moving average. Let me show you. So in this scenario, price open a gap up and surfing this moving average. They fail to pull back. So somewhere here I can see. So So here pullback, so we apply pullback strategy. Another here you can see surfing this moving average. All right, and another, let me show you exactly here, they're trying to surf this moving average. Have you seen? They fail to pull back and continue to the uptrend or upside and surfing some moving average. So we have to catch when price near moving average 5. Okay, so it's a trading strategy. And a 15-minute time frame also here you can see clear uptrend, and they are bouncing from 200 moving average, but here exactly near moving average, this one 50 moving average, so it's a probability to pull back. And let's see top stocks for tomorrow. First, this one ICR Motor, this one daily time frame, and they're trying to break this resistance line, and they form a bullish confirmation candle. It's a probability to create a new high. So for intraday, as an investor or swing trader, I'm not able to trade here because I'm looking for a pullback, but in this scenario they are surfing some specific moving average, so that is why I'll use for intraday trading. So now I can see, and the 15-minute time frame, they are bouncing, price create a new high, bouncing. So I'm looking for buy somewhere here in this area around 37.70. So it's a perfect level, so I'm expecting if price open a gap up, so we are using gap up trading strategy in that cause. Another call India here you can see price not able to pull back, they're surfing this 10 and 5 moving average, have you seen? And finally they form a bullish pin bar, so it's a probability to create new high very soon. All right, so it's a best stock for intraday when they are forming this type of pattern. Okay, so let me show you a small time frame like 15 minute. So 15-minute clear bouncing from specific moving average, that is called 150. Have you seen price pull back and bounce again? And right now price somewhere there and broke this resistance line. So let me show you here. So they I'd like to connect this point or somewhere more touches point like that, and finally here you can see price are bouncing from this area again, price pull back, it's a probability to bounce again and broke this multiple rejection which is act as a resistance in a diagonal resistance line. So finally, and we're expecting price will continue, so that is why I'm looking for buy in call India. So next, Apollo Hospital also forming same bullish confirmation pattern. So after giving a big rally in a downside, and according to price action method, here I can see price triple top forming somewhere here, and finally create a new high. So that was previous lower high. So finally broke and a pullback. Again they are trying to create a new high, and right now this is a clear trend. And if you see daily time frame, and if you see in a small time frame, perfect trend are forming here. I can see bullish confirmation and bouncing from specific level. So I'm looking for a pullback or I'm looking for a breakout. Okay, all right. So another Ultratrack Cement, Ultratrack also, this is the daily time frame, perfect resistance line. So here you can see, as I said, after breaking this resistance line, price again pull back. So after that again bounce from this area. So similarly, so last few days price running in a sideways in between this range, and finally broke this area and create a new high and again pull back. So it's a perfect opportunity after getting a buy signal above this supporting line. Let me show you in a small time frame. In a small time frame like 15 minutes, so basically I use 15 minutes and 5 minutes as an intraday trader. So here I can see, so my level will be around 200. So if price open a gap down, so definitely I'm looking for buy, or if price open a gap up, so I'm looking for buy. So it's a pullback. So our rule is buy dip in a uptrend. So it's a uptrend, and this is called dip point. All right. So we are looking for buy. So next, this one, Tata Motors. Tata Motors also here you can see that is a strong resistance. Now check support and somewhere support. All right. So let me show you here. So that is a resistance line. Finally, price broke somewhere here, and then now another supporting line are forming here. So you can see price broke and continue toward the upside, and again price pull back, and it's a strong support, because if you see previous market behavior, price was rejecting from this area. So let me show you. So this level, have you seen? Act as a support, resistance, act as a support, and act as a support. So we need a bullish confirmation there, form indecision candle. So basically I'm looking for buy after breaking this level. Okay, so this is the most important point. Okay, let me show you in small time frame also, like 15 minute. Okay, this is a perfect, and the 15 minute they are running in a downtrend. Have you seen? They are running in a downtrend, but here I can see this is called sideways area. Sorry, this is called sideways area. So we need a breakout, at least 200 moving average here. And if you know, see by using this called RSI, they are diverging. RSI. Okay, let me use manual period. So here I can see most important level, and when price are creating new lower low, RSI are creating higher high. So this is called divergence. Once they forming this type of divergence, it's a probability to change the trend. In a small time frame, they are running in a downtrend. When they are forming this type of divergence, it is a probability to change the downtrend, and it will continue toward the uptrend, or it will place the uptrend. All right. So next, this one, Hindalco. Hindalco last a few days they are running in a sideways. So that is why I'm just watching these stocks, and I'm expecting that it will give a big rally. All right. So here I can see strong resistance and support. They are forming a, I can say flag pattern also, whatever you say, and I'm just looking for buy after breaking this area. So basically, price are running near 200 exponential moving average, and if you have seen a small time frame like 15 minute, so this one 15 minute sideways market. So basically I'm looking for buy after breaking this 200 exponential moving average. So last one, Maruti also running an uptrend in a daily time frame, and the last few days the price are running in a sideways. So basically it's a lower point, price create a lower higher high, but many times they try to break this lower point but fail, and finally that was lower high, and again create a new higher high, and price again pull back and fail to create or break this lower point and form a bullish signal. And here you can see this is called bullish engulfing pattern. All right, this is engulfing this candle. I'm counting this tail also, and it's a probability to bounce from this area, and probability to create a new higher high. So that is my stock. So tomorrow I'm going to take position here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.